Hey Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. This video is not intended to make anybody feel bad about how they talk, just FYI. I did check with auctions for you before I posted the video. Special thanks to T. Please go sub up auctions for you. She has amazing selling events. You guys hear me talk about her all the time, and great items for resellers. So go check her out. All right, are you ready for this hilarious video? Hey Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Okay, Bolo buddies, this is just a fun little video. I've just got to tell you that this made my day yesterday. So if you guys watched my plush video, thumbnail looks like this. You will probably have already seen this. However, the other part of this video, keep watching because you have not seen this footage. So a lot of times I say things wrong. I'm pretty known for that. But I just want to thank Auctions for You. Here's her channel. And Donatella Bottolino. Right here is her channel. But mostly Auctions for You for just making me feel so much better. And as you watch this clip, you are gonna see exactly how she made me feel so much better. And special thanks to Rachel Strickland channel here for bringing this up in the chat so that I was not the only one. All right, you guys, stay tuned. This is gonna be fun. The next item is this Spy Fox Entertainment, extremely rare. It's a fox, a spy fox. Humongous. Oh my gosh, you guys. Is that humongous? Oh my gosh, is that how you spell humongous? I thought it was the brand. Hold on. Humongous.
I'm not sure I understand.
I'm not sure I understand. Humongous.
Here's some information.
Okay. Humongous. But this says that it's some sort of horror film. I don't know. I thought humongous meant like big. Definition of humongous.
Humongous is an informal term. It means enormous.
Huge, enormous. Humongous. I don't know. See right here, I was like, oh, that's the brand. It is the brand. Humongous Entertainment? Oh my goodness. Okay, I've spent way too long on this, trying to sound out a word like a third grader. Humongous. I'm just leaving this in, you guys, because you know me. All right, here's the tag. Now, for the footage you have not seen. This is awesome.
That's homogeneous. What is? Oh, she's saying important.
Humongous.
Oh, humongous.
Look at me correcting you. Are the planets aligned a certain way?
Right.
I never get to correct anybody. You guys saw it here first. I got to correct T on a word that she couldn't pronounce. I mean, for me, it's natural. There's always a word I can't pronounce.
You guys feel so much better. She's making fun of you from the plush video. Oh, because maybe she couldn't say humongous?
Oh, was she? Oh, she couldn't say.
Courtney was using that word in her plush video. Oh, okay.
And I love it that I knew what it said. You're like, what did you say? Homogeneous?
Homogeneous. I don't know. You know what? We were talking cheese. I had milk or something on my brain. I'm glad I can make you feel better, Cord.
Oh my goodness, T, you made me feel so much better. And Donna and I always mess words up. Like, that's just normal. Like, we accept that. We're all good with that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Auctions for You, Donatella Bottolino, and Rachel Strickland. So Donatella and T, Auctions for You, both do selling events on their channels, and they have amazing inventory for resellers. I know that if you guys watch my channel on a regular basis, you see me say, I bought this from Donatella Bottolino. I bought this from Auctions for You. I also have lots of unboxing videos where I purchase from them and unbox them and show you guys what I expect to make. So check those out. And also be sure to go and subscribe to Rachel Strickland. She has an amazing reseller channel with awesome reseller content. So please subscribe to these ladies. They are all amazing. Okay, I also wanted to talk to you guys about some things that are going on. Okay, you guys, so Chosen Goods reseller, if you guys remember the This Is My Bolo challenge, she won. She finally has all of the packages. So the winner got a gift from all of the people that lost, and they are supposed to ship her an item that she can resell on eBay. So she is going to be doing those unboxings over on her channel. I believe she is releasing the first one today, so make sure you're subscribed to Chosen Goods Reseller. It should be lots of fun, and I cannot wait to see what she got. So head on over and subscribe to her. And another update, over in my Facebook group, I have been inviting Facebook group members to share a screenshot of an item that was a big money bolo or an unexpected bolo in the comments section of the post. If you go over to my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, there's a link down in the description. What you do is you look under the announcements for that post and then you share your screenshot. And so far, I have been able to post all of the items in the comments. I'm not sure, it's gonna kind of depend on how many comments there are, but basically go comment for a chance to be have your item featured in a Bolo Buddies video. Now, if you are a member of my Bolo Buddies YouTube channel, you will get a special shout out in that video as well. So if you're not a member, I just feature your item. If you are a member, I'll pop up your channel. So this is just a great way to get your item featured on a YouTube video. Super fun, great way to help others learn, and thank you for everybody that's been participating. It has been super successful and super fun, and I know I am learning a lot. So check out the description of the video for more links to include my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.